I need a clean and steady 5 volts DC power. At first, I used a 5 volts adapter, but when I measured it, the input was actually 5.8 volts. I'm not an electronics expert. I'm actually learning all this with AI's help. So as it suggested, I started experimenting with the LM7805 regulator to see if I could get a stable 5 volts. On this regulator, we have input, ground, and finally the output that must be 5 volts. What we're using is a mini breadboard, LM7805, 10 microfarad cap, and 470 microfarad capacitor, and a 1N4148 diode. Starting putting them together, first regulator, adding diode. The negative side goes into regulator pin 1 input. This is a necessary piece to protect your circuit or your regulator. I burned one, so I learned my lesson. If I get it correctly, I must put the cap here to stabilize input. I don't have oscilloscope yet to test it, so I blindly follow the recipe, and some jumpers and another cap for stabilizing output. Okay, ground, input, output, ground. Now the test time. So let's see what we have here. Oh, there must be something wrong. What did I wrong? What did I wrong? Huh, it doesn't look like 5 volts. After consulting with co-pilots, I find out that regulator needs at least 7 volts to regulate properly. So I'm now using 12 volts. So let's check it out. .937. It's almost 5. So amateur electrician wins. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next.